I'm Emlyn. I'm here with one of GrowthLab's new analysts, Adam, and we are going to ask him a couple questions about his time here at GrowthLab so far. And so why don't you start and tell us a little bit about yourself and where you went to school, what you studied, and how that relates to your role here at GrowthLab.
So, hi, my name is Adam Cournoyer. I graduated from the University of New Hampshire back in May. I graduated with a double major in business administration with a focus in finance and business analytics. And my finance major comes into play a lot at GrowthLab, as a lot of what I learned in school is used when making models for the customers that we have.
Great. And so within your job hunt, why did you decide to join GrowthLab?
So my job hunt originally was quite wide in range, but I wanted something that reflected either one of my majors more specifically. So I did a search for financial analyst jobs, and GrowthLab immediately caught my attention. My first impressions were that it was a place where I could improve and continue to master my financial skills. Fast forward a month and a half now, and it's been a great experience and great place to work at.
Fantastic. And so tell us a little bit more about your role at GrowthLab and what you do day to day here.
So my role in GrowthLab is Junior FP&A Analyst. In my day-to-day, I work making financial models on the software called GrowthLab, where we do that, where you input drivers, all that kind of stuff. Essentially just build out balance sheets, income statements, P&Ls, everything that they need and are looking for. And then once we're good with them, we send it back and have it reviewed.
Awesome. And finally, what are the top 3 things you have enjoyed so far with your experience here at GrowthLab?
So the first one I would say is that the people that work here, everyone that I've met and talked to has been extremely nice and helpful in a variety of ways that range from, work-related things to things that aren't even work-related. So for instance, I'm not familiar with Providence at all, and I just moved down here. So I had Dan and everybody helping me find apartments, telling me where to check out in the city, and just things like that. Second is the flexibility. Dan, Steven, and Corey are all very nice people, and know that everyone has things going on in their lives. And so if I have to leave early, for instance, or I have to come in late, they're very understanding about that and won't have any issues with me doing that. Third is the work-life balance for sure. Usually on Fridays, we can work from home, which is always a nice change of pace from being in the office, nice change of scenery, everything like that. A little nice of a reset during the week.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much and happy to have you here at GrowthLab.